Howdy, it's Nick here from Lumberjack Tools. Today I'm going to help you assemble the RT1500, the benchtop rotor table. So right, let's get into it and see what you get in the box. So there we go, there's an overall look of what you'll get in the box. So let's get to assembling it. So right, first off, you are going to want to turn that over on its side, like so. So there we go. Now for the purpose of this video, I will be removing this panel. You do not have to if you don't want to, but for the video I will be. Right, up next you are going to need your back supports, 2 bolts, 2 washers and your 2 knobs. Now you line up the bolts through there, and you line them up with that hole, and with it being on its side it lines up just right. And there we go, just like that. You can turn it back over now, and I'm just going to put the back plate back on. So right, next up, it's time for the extraction and the cutter guard, and you're going to need 2 bolts, 2 nuts, 2 washers, and you line that up there to there, and there we go, 1 hood attached. Right, next up we're going to put the support blocks on. You're going to need your 4 knobs, 4 washers and 4 bolts, and there you go, there's the 2 supports done. So right, next up, time to put the feather boards on. You're going to need 2 bolts with a square washer, and the 4 long bolts with the 4 washers and the 4 knobs, and it'll go on something like this. So there we go, just like that they are secured in. And your mitre guide, pretty much simple, it slides in. Next up, just the handle. Now the screw for the handle is already there, you just want to unscrew it. And with the rotor you get a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch collet, and I'll show you now how to fit them. So what you're going to want to do is raise the collet up, and with the little knob underneath lock it down so it doesn't move. Now I'll show you how to replace the collet for one of the others. Underneath there is a little lever. You pull it, it locks it down, and then you can loosen this up. And to install the cutter, you make sure that you're still pulling on that lever, push it in, and tighten it down, and then undo the locking knob underneath. And there you are, good to go. So there we go, that is the RT1500 completely assembled, and hopefully you found that helpful. So until next time, thank you all for watching. See you later.